So here with my boy Ong it's time. It's time to put that big Bertha into here. Whoa! All right, she's in. She's in.
With very little casualties.
So, like I said in the video, girls, it's never that easy. They just won't give it up that easily.
They need a little bit of persuasion.
So Big Bertha here, let's just say, she fought us, you know, but we snuck it in, you know. Now it's in the hole. So time to align everything, make sure everything, and then we're just gonna bolt up the chassis and stuff like that. So I'll come right back. Today is the day that we've been waiting for, hopefully, with my boy Santi in the back. I don't know if you can see him right there. We're getting ready to start this car. I have him over right now to kind of just double check everything I did. We already put in the oil, the tran, and then the coolant. Don't worry about the green coolant. It's a long story. Short story is, whoever had the car before put green coolant in it, and we don't want to mix it with a different color coolant. So it's okay, it'll be fine. But we're getting ready to start. We need to put in the battery in where the battery area is, hooked up the terminal, and hopefully we can start it. But let's get to it right now. I'm kind of nervous, but it is what it is. So what do you think is gonna happen, Santi?
Either it works, it doesn't work, or it all blows up, and we'll just have to start from scratch. So it's not our first attempt doing this now. So I mean, at least we know what to do. It'll probably take us less time if it, doesn't work. So we'll figure it out.
Yeah. We already ran into a couple of issues, just minor stuff, and some stuff I already knew I need to, I guess, fix. But the main thing of this part right now is to start it, to get it running, get the coolant kind of cycle in, and then check if the transmission fluid and then the power steering fluids are like good. Other than that, that's like the main 3 goals for today. So put it, guys. You heard them. Let's put you on the tripod. Let's get to it. And I had a little edging moment. We were putting the battery on there, and the terminal was kind of messed up. But we put it on, and I heard like the lights and the chime of the door on. I was like, oh. But we had to go back and bought some new terminal heads. So he's open there right now and ready to go. So let's, where's the key?
Get the power steering fluid. Power steering.
Right here. Right here. That's a lie. That's a lie. Yes. Let's go. Hold on. All right, put it on the wheel. That rig. Alright, keep turning it. Dude, guess what? What? No light. No Christmas lights. No Christmas lights? No Christmas lights. Oh. Show the camera. No Christmas lights. I don't know if you can see. No Christmas lights. Besides the seatbelt. Yo! This car, exhaust-wise, it's we'll just say it's a muffler delete. So it has the OEM mid pipe or wide pipe, and then from there it's just a straight pipe. So I guess muffler delete. Yeah. Okay. Explain, mechanic Santi.
So bubbles are not meant to be inside your system. All right. So simple words. If you see bubbles, there's air in it. We don't need air in this. So you see all the bubbles here, especially in here. We need to make sure all these are out. So we're just burping off the whole system just to make sure that it's all running A-okay. It's alive. Shit.
Okay, that's reverse. What is this?
Drive. Alright, we better find it.
Nope. Alright, what's good, fam? The day has come. The final journey of this build series. The car is on the ground. As you can see, I have my IS stock wheels right now. Have the keys here, ready to, if you been watching this video right now, it does start. Everything is fine. No check engine light, nothing like that. Thank God. It is finally on the ground after about 2.5 months now. It's a bit long time, but it's on the ground. I'm about to take its first drive around the neighborhood. Hopefully everything goes well, but I think everything will be fine. So let's go on this first ever journey of this revival of this car. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, let's do this. Ready? To this car right now. Get in. We're gonna hop on this. Kind of nervous. I am pretty nervous, so all right. Brake. It's in reverse. It's in. Power steering works. Seems like it. I'm really nervous. From the loud, but okay, AC is off. Yeah, it's the exhaust got to be changed for sure. It's pretty loud. I don't like this drone. So, hey, it's in drive. Let's do this. Dude, I'm driving the car. Power steering wise, probably needs to be replaced. I can feel it. It's not as, I mean, I can turn it not easily. I mean, it's working, but it's one of those where it's not as easy. Like I got to put a little bit of force in here, but I'm driving that car around. I don't want to push it. I just want to cruise. My neighborhood is like 20 miles per hour right now. Car I ever rebuilt. From it not working, motor swap and everything, to me driving around the neighborhood right now. So the only thing I have is the what do you call it? This light came on that's for the tail light. I think it's a common thing. It's something with the bulb or something. So other than that, we're driving. Yeah, it's pretty slow in a way. But I'm driving on the main road, dude. I want a disclaimer. I never drove this car, so I don't know how it feels. If this is how it's supposed to be, the lag and all that stuff. I mean, I know Lexus throttle lag is pretty bad, but I don't know how this car is supposed to drive, like how it feels. So I have a friend that does. Oh, it's definitely loud, unnecessary loud. So I gotta get a little muffler or a little resonator for that for sure, unless I get a dude's house. I have to say, I just did that pull. It's a lot more analog. Like I can feel more of the car, like, you know, not like the so smooth of the other one. So. All right, Nicholas. What time is it right now?
It's where's my phone?
3:30. 3:30.
It's IS300 time.
Oh. You ready to go? He was all new group here that had an IS300 before.
Yeah, and I sold it, and now I regret it.
Okay, so since the guys are here, we're gonna go on a ride, and he's gonna drive us, and
I'll see if something's wrong from my muscle memory.
or he can drive it, fell in love with it, wants to buy it. 5K, let's go.
I mean, I'm already here, so.
Yeah. All right, here you go, Nick. Catch. Ooh.
You basically bought it already.
Ooh. All right, let's do this.
Same sounds.
Let's go. You turn the key, hold on to the tip of it because it's
Because it's
cracked.
gonna
Yeah,
Hell, in this car, no.
I know.
Wait. Oh my god, it's dinging like my old car. I wanna like record this on my phone so that I can like show my parents.
Yeah.
But then it's like, they're gonna be like, were you out buying another car this whole time?
Do it. I mean, one of us, or I can record it on your phone.
Oh shit.
First ride. Yeah. Let's.
It's like my old car.
Man, I'll record.
I'm probably gonna repost this to black.
It's so nice though. It's like it's nice condition for what it is already.
Oh yeah, but I don't like the gray.
Hey bro, you got a oil change due like 4 years ago. You gonna change that?
Nah, I'm good. I'm riding solo.
I know what I got. No low balls.
Seatbelt.
Hey, man, it's Nick we're talking about.
All right, let's do it. Put the bitch in drive. I mean reverse.
That bitch are trapped.
Hey, don't tell
Holy
Nick, man.
shit! Damn, this thing sits so low. I'm just so used to driving a stick.
Yeah. Oh wait. Go up a little bit.
What do you mean go up?
Go up a little bit. Go up a little bit.
What do you mean go up?
Just go forward a little bit. Opinion. I need to change the whole thing.
I don't remember it being this stiff. Hi, I'm buying his car. Jump up so.
He's in that dad pose, like, what the fuck?
Fuck. He probably thinks it's yours.
Fuck? Okay.
This sounds like my old car. But I can hear the rotors.
Yeah. I mean it's rusty.
Yeah, and the brakes are pretty. Go straight, turn left, right.
Go straight.
Hey, you should turn on the AC.
Oh, it did stutter. I felt that. You felt that?
When you accelerate.
Like when I stopped and then I just kind of tapped the gas, it kind of stuttered a little bit for a second.
It sounds just like my friends, dude.
But it felt like soup, though.
Transmission shifts really good. I mean, it shifts like how I remember it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
It's
you
just on the road,
got
for sure.
two big bean bags in the back, so.
Listen here, I'm tired of you, Nick.
Can I still get a free smoothie?
It's not even free.
Left, right?
All right. What's the verdict?
It drives good.
It drives great. It drives great. Just little minor things, but this thing handles so good. I miss it. This is why I miss it.
It's still a little bit front heavy, but nice that it turns all four at the same time when you go. You feel it all coming around.
All the common problems can be addressed pretty relatively easily, so
Yeah.
I mean, can
So
purchase.
W. Wait. W. 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 Fluffy approves.